Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Sia Serves Fresh Noodle Fridays. It is new episodes of noodle recipes of all kinds every single Friday. So today I'm bringing you something chill, and literally it's temperature cold because it's hella hot here right now in Vancouver, Canada, where I'm from. And I just need something to cool me off. We're going through this massive heat wave right now, and all I can think about is cold. So I'm gonna bring to you an OROSHI SOBA, which is a chilled Japanese noodle with a nice tsuyu, which is like a mixture or like a light broth of soy sauce, mirin, sake, and dashi. It is super refreshing, topped with some grated radish. I'm just using regular radish found at my farmer's market, but you could go ahead and use daikon if you really want to, and topped with some fresh green onions. It is so simple to make, I kid you not. You're gonna be eating this for days or maybe the entire summer, which is my plan. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, we have our slew of ingredients here. We're gonna start off with our radish. Of course, traditionally you're supposed to use daikon, but I got these beautiful radishes here. Scallions, we've got our buckwheat soba noodles. We have mirin, we're gonna need a lot of that. We also have soy sauce, of course, sake. We're gonna start by pouring the sake and measuring our ingredients into a pan. So we have half a cup of sake here. We are then gonna add mirin. We're gonna add just over 1 cup of mirin. That's gonna help sweeten it up and balance it. We've also got 1 cup of soy sauce here. And we have about 2 teaspoons of dashi powder. We're gonna heat that up to ensure that all the dashi is dissolved. And then just turn off the heat and let that just kind of sink in. For now, we're gonna cut our green onions. I'm just slicing it like so. There's probably too much in there for what I'm making. And then I'm gonna start grating my radish. You could do the same thing with daikon here. I'm just grating. Got this beautiful pink color here. I think it's so pretty. And then now, finally, we're gonna start boiling some water, and we're gonna cook our soba noodles just for about 4 minutes or so until, yes, they're nice and pliable like so. For now, we can dump that out. You could also save the cooking water if you want to drink it. Rinse it with ice cold water, and then place these into your bowls. Remember the tsuyu? Yes, this is the tsuyu. We're gonna add a little bit in there. I actually like to filter mine out with a bit of filtered water to dilute the flavor because it's really strong, and then top it off with radish, some green onions here. I like to add a little furikake, or if you have shredded nori, that also works great, and a little sprinkle of tentasu, which is like tempura crunch. And there you go, there you have it. We have our OROSHI SOBA, nice and cold. Make sure you really just chill this in the fridge for a bit. It's a tasty treat for dinner. Enjoy! If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see everyone next week. Bye!